Now, take this for the grain of salt that it is, but if I hear this thing twice in a day, and one of these coming from Daniel Blair saying, quote, "Oh wow, Vince Friese to HRC question mark. Gonna have to check a few more sources, but dang, I'm hearing chatter." This is insane. I mean, obviously he's just coming off of his uh, Arena Cross title, and obviously there is plenty of room on the HRC team, considering that both Jet and Hunter Lawrence are now injured. I just cannot honestly believe that this would be a thing. Like, I cannot believe that Honda, HRC, or HRC, whatever, the same thing, would want to put themselves in this situation. I mean, look at the look at the problems that MCR have with the PR that he has. Like their comments are turned off all the time. Just everyone mad at Vince Friese taking somebody out, and I just this is absolutely insanity to me. And like I saw that rumor as I'm recording this. It's 12:51 in the morning, or yeah, I saw this like early in the morning. I was like, nah, like yesterday, like the day before this, and I was like, there's no way, this is a joke. Like somebody's having fun, like, ha ha ha, funny HRC. No way would they do that. And then I mean, Daniel Blair is a pretty big name, a well-known guy, has a lot of reach, to put something else like this out, whether he's just trying to, I don't know, engagement farm, or if he's actually trying to, or if he's actually hearing this, I don't know. And I'm assuming he is. But if this actually happens, it's going to be huge. I mean, do I think he'll win? No. And obviously, I've said that before, probably. And he has won, obviously, the Arena Cross title now. So he is a title winning rider. But I just cannot believe that HRC would put somebody with that much bad PR on their bike. And granted, if he goes out and he wins and he does well, they'll look like absolute geniuses. If he goes out and uh, goes out and podiums, goes out and does anything well, they're going to look like geniuses. Like, hey, here's this villain ride. Like we had bikes and we had time, and here he is. Like that would be for them incredible. I don't see it happening. I don't see it happening. One, that he actually gets on the bike, and two, if it does happen, I don't see him doing well. It's just he's never won anything in the 450 title or 450 side. And yes, there's a lot of injuries this year, so like he could have, you know, a higher percentage of doing well, but I don't see it. So this is where I'm going to leave you guys. So comment down below, tell me what you think. Do you believe this? Is this anywhere even in your realm of uh maybe, or is this just funny to you as it is to me as a rumor that just doesn't make any sense? And you know, we'll see where it is. But comment down below, tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do a fun thing, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really just helped me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.